Hello, my name is Kathleen Nicholson, and I'm here today to talk to you about utility-scale solar farming at the University of North Florida. We continue to see more and more issues with fossil fuels every day, the first of which is scarcity. Crude oil is becoming harder to find throughout the globe. As we run out of oil, the shortage drives up the oil prices. This has caused many governments, including America's, to subsidize oil prices in order for them to be cost-efficient for the average citizen. This has also caused inflation within many economies and has caused all sorts of economic issues. Another issue that arises when we burn fossil fuels are the health effects. Fracking to obtain oil can cause major pollution in nearby waterways. This means oil accessing our rivers, lakes, and aquifers that we get our drinking water from. Oil has also been known to access nearby farms and/or crops, and this makes its way into the food that we eat. Oil is a known carcinogen and is dangerous for anyone to consume. Ocean drilling has also been an issue for our home and the environment. As we drill oil in the ocean, oil spills occur every day. Spills can kill massive amounts of marine life, ruin the fishing industry in that region, and again make its way into the food that we eat. The burning of fossil fuels has also caused the largest issue that humans face today: climate change. Climate change is caused by the excessive amount of carbon and methane in our atmosphere. Carbon is directly produced from burning fossil fuels, including coal, oil, and gas. Since we have burned so many fossil fuels since the Industrial Revolution, the atmosphere is currently at the highest concentration of CO2 ever. Climate change has caused dangerous, unpredictable weather patterns, which have caused shortages of food and water in some areas. As sea level rises, some islands will be completely wiped off the map, while other regions will be in complete drought. However, there is a solution, and the solution is renewable energy. Today, we will be talking about solar energy in particular. Solar energy is an environmentally sustainable energy because the sun is a natural, never-ending source of energy. Solar energy is economically sustainable because it's much cheaper than coal or gas and will never become scarce. Today, I want to propose a utility-scale solar farm at the University of North Florida. A solar farm will benefit the university as a whole. It would be able to power the entire campus while creating extra energy. This energy would be able to sell back to JEA in order to make money for the school. Although a small investment would be necessary to start up the program, I believe this will be extremely beneficial for the entire UNF community. The solar farm will be divided up into 10 portions. The 10 portions will lay on top of the 10 largest buildings and lots on UNF campus. This way, minimal development will be needed and no extra land will be taken up. As you can see on the screen, the 10 buildings are already planned out and perfectly proportioned for a utility-scale solar farm. This process will include 4 major steps. The first is GIS mapping. This will be relatively simple because we will not have to map out for natural extra obstructions due to the solar farm being on top of infrastructure. The next will be the purchase of equipment. The equipment will be a small investment for UNF to make. However, UNF will be able to return the investment within 1 year. The next step would be installation. This will also be an investment for UNF. Once the solar farm is set up, extremely minimal maintenance will be needed. The benefits from a utility-scale solar farm at UNF are limitless. Producing clean energy is probably the largest benefit. This will lower UNF's carbon footprint and make UNF a greener school. Utility-scale solar farm will be extremely cost-effective because instead of buying energy from JEA or another power company, UNF will be creating its own energy and be able to sell back the excess energy to JEA or another power company. This will also be an opportunity for many classes to get hands-on experience. Business classes would be able to study the deals and transactions between UNF and JEA. Environmental science students will be able to study UNF's carbon footprint and the green technologies that we are using. Engineering students will be able to have a first-hand look at real working solar panels right on campus. This could be a major attraction for UNF. It could attract students, investors, and lead the path for other universities throughout Florida and the United States. Thank you for listening today and making our future a greener and cleaner one.